Hey, if you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you're looking to learn how to craft your ideal customer avatar. And if you watch this video for the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you exactly how to do that. Now, you're probably in a position where you're not attracting enough of the type of customer that you want to work with. And if that's happening to you, it can be really frustrating. You see, there are people out there that you prefer to work with, right? That don't question about money, pay you on time, and there are others that just drain you. And by creating even a customer avatar, what you'll do is you'll be able to get your marketing on point, so you'll be able to attract more of the right kind of people that you want to work with in your business. Now, why should you want to work with me? Not work with me, listen to me even. Well, I've generated £20 million online in the last 15 years, and I've systemized that and documented the process, and I teach entrepreneurs and business owners exactly how they can do the same in their businesses. And they've gone on to generate hundreds of millions of pounds in additional revenue in their businesses over the last 5 to 6 years. Now, how you can do that and how you can get more sales and more leads of the right type of people in your business is having that customer avatar. So what you need to do is create a list of things that your perfect customer has, the traits they have. So you also want to look at things like their sex. Are they male or female, or their age, or where do they live as well? What are they interested in? Because if we can find out what they're interested in, we can find them on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Google, and many other platforms as well. So things like, what books do they read? We want to attract business owners and entrepreneurs, so we'll target people that have read Rich Dad, Poor Dad or Think and Grow Rich. That's really important to know that as well in your business. Maybe you want to know the types of websites that they go on, because you can target people that visit certain websites as well. Now, I want to make this easy so you can do this. And what I've created for you guys is a step-by-step PDF that you just fill in the blanks to create your avatar. And it's easy, really, really easy, and you'll be able to do that in only a few short minutes. Now, above this video or below this video is going to be a link where you can just get your free copy of that. There's no strings or catches at all with that. You just put your name, email into that, and you'll have that avatar sheet in only a few short seconds. So do that right now, and while you're there, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our page, and comment below. I'd love to know how you're creating your avatar. Any questions you've got on your avatar, comment below, and I'll personally reply to all of those as soon as I can. Anyway, that's it from me. See you soon.